Hello, Crypto World. Thursday, midday in the United States. It's already Friday in Asia. First thing that happened this morning was we got very good consumer price index. It came in at 2.7% for the annual, and that was lower than was expected. And the markets responded naturally positively to that. But, and this is what's the disturbing part, this is what happened in the equity market, in the dollar world, and in crypto. But let's use the dollar as an example and then talk about crypto. The dollar sold off as the CPI came out, as you can see, and that was across the board. Everybody celebrated. And then interest rates stopped going down, the stock market started to go down, and the dollar rallied to positive when it was negative after the number came out. And this is what happened in Bitcoin and all crypto. Initially, after the number came out, Bitcoin rallied, traded as high as 89,500. Think about that. That's $4,000 higher than now. And then it turns around and drops back. The same thing that happened with the dollar and also happened in the equity market. The equity market gave up substantial amount of its gain. And naturally, when all these markets rally up and then back off, all crypto does basically the same thing, turns red again. Now, you can debate whether the analysis of the CPI number is correct or not, but right now the pundits, the marketplace, don't buy the notion that inflation is coming down and that there will be more rate cuts. The CME futures market still has the same probability as it did before the CPI came out. Really remarkable. So we'll have to see how the day plays out, because maybe the pundits will go back to their earlier notion that the CPI is under control. But right now, markets are backing off from the celebration of the CPI appearing to be lower than many people had expected.